quso.ai packs in a powerful set of social media features that you can use to manage all social media platforms directly from within our platform. To access social media features on quso.ai, click on this button that says Social or use one of the options on the left menu. You'll be able to see the option to link 7 of your social media accounts, including TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. You can also link multiple sets of social media accounts if you plan to post on behalf of multiple people or multiple organizations just by clicking on the Add Social Set button over here. To schedule or create any post on social media platforms, click on this button that says Create New Post. Upload the media from your computer if it's something that you did not create on quso.ai, or choose one of the videos that you have already created on quso.ai to post to social media. Once you select a video, you can ask the AI to automatically generate a description that will be posted on all social media platforms. You can go to each individual social media platform and change the AI description depending on what you want to post onto those platforms. You can also make changes or edits to the AI generated descriptions that are created by quso.ai. Once you've made your changes, click on Schedule and select the time and date that you want to share this content on. Or if you want to publish it immediately, just click on Publish Now and you're good to go. Once you've created your social media calendar, you can use our planner to get a bird's eye view of what content is going when. This gives you a great idea of which content is scheduled across which platforms on what dates, so that you don't have to juggle between multiple Google Sheets or other tools to figure out what's going when and where. You can also explore AI analytics, which will give you a breakdown of how your content is performing across all social media platforms in one single place, as well as give you a social score across all your pages to give you a better idea of how you're doing and what better you can do across different social media platforms. Social media is an inherent part of quso.ai's capabilities, and I invite you to explore and see what you can do on quso.ai for your social media platforms today.